Hi, my name is Austin Mayhew, Capital Projects Manager with Reston Association. And today I want to give you an update on the Lake Thoreau facility renovation project. Demolition included removing the concrete deck, the pool shell. The spa is completely gone from here and the wading pool is gone from up top. All that material has been brought off site and now we're on the regrading process. This pad here is being graded so high to prepare for caisson installments down here. Caissons are basically what are going to be the foundation for our new wooden deck overlooking Lake Thoreau. The other things to consider that will be done soon are a new stormwater pipe will be laid across the parking lot to the existing storm structure, which will be replaced with a new structure as the parking lot comes up. After that process, they will form and pour new retaining walls around the site since the site's elevated and there's a lot more dirt. You can expect contractors to be on site working from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday for about the next year. In the next coming months, we anticipate machinery still coming through the site, which will make noise. We appreciate your patience, and we can't wait to see this wonderful new facility open up next summer. For more information, please visit the Capital Projects page at reston.org or email us at capitalprojects@reston.org.